Hey guys, so it is currently not the morning, it is now the afternoon. Today is a really big day. Not only is today a big day, tomorrow is as well. It's Jason's birthday and we're gonna be going to celebrate that today. So he has no idea what's happening today. We're gonna be having a little surprise today, so come with me and let's celebrate. Okay, so I have my phone, I have some candles here, I have some socks, we're going bowling later. And it's pretty nice outside right now, but I think I'm gonna need a warmer jacket.
Good together. There's a reason why they watch all night long.